everyone, welcome to Shri Ramabharati Public School online classes. I hope you all are fine. My name is Vimi and I will be taking your computer subject. In the previous lecture we discussed about chapter 2 computer languages, and in this we learned about language and computer or programming language. Now in continuation to that topic, we will further discuss about the classification of computer languages. So, today we will discuss low-level language. It can be classified in two languages, machine language and assembly language. Let's begin with the web chart. See, computer languages are classified into following categories. First is machine language, second is assembly language, third is high-level language, and fourth is fourth generation language. Now move to the next slide. Let's understand about low-level language. Low-level language is a programming language that provides no abstraction from the hardware, and it is represented in 0 and 1 forms. The languages that come under this category are machine language and assembly language. Now let's understand the features of low-level language. See, low-level language is close to machine. It means machine can understand these languages easily and process it. It is machine dependent. It means if we develop the program in low-level language in any specific type of machine, then our program will run in that type of machine. It will not run on other machine. It is not portable. It is difficult to understand by humans. I have already told you two languages that come under this category, machine language and assembly language. Let's understand machine language. See, machine language is the only language which computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1. It is also called binary language. I repeat, machine language is the only language which computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1. It is also called binary language. Now, features of machine language. See, it is extremely machine dependent. It is difficult to understand by humans. It means humans cannot remember 0 and 1 sequence easily. Difficult to write program in it. Difficult to debug. It is directly executed by computers. Programs written in machine language is called object code. Now, see this table. How do we write in binary form? 0 represent in 0, 0, 0. 1 represent in 0, 0, 1. Now move to the next slide. Assembly language. Assembly language is a language which uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. It is also called symbolic language. I repeat, assembly language is a language which uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. It is also called symbolic language. Mnemonic means abbreviation. Let's understand with example, like for addition we are writing add, for subtraction we are writing sub. So these are the abbreviations. Only 3 letters are written to perform any instruction. Now we are learning features of assembly language. This language is a second generation programming language. Assembler is required to translate this language into machine language, and program written in assembly language is called source program. I repeat, a program written in assembly language is called source program. So, finally, I have covered machine language and assembly language. And next part we will discuss in my next session. By the time, keep learning. Thank you.